It's a pleasure to be here with you all at the 2019 Clean Cooking Forum.
What inspires me every day is that I can see the unfolding potential of this sector, of the partners, the leaders, the consumers, of all of you. We can do this if we work together, because there is a lot to be done.
I'm optimistic that all delegates gathered here will focus all your energies at seeking lasting solutions to clean cooking challenges.
We have this challenge to prove all the cynics who think that this cannot be remedied wrong, and to make sure that by 2030 everybody has access to clean cooking.
We want to save 4 million lives, and we want to get 3 billion people to access clean cooking, because clean cooking is...
Clean cooking is the power of the future.
Clean cooking is opportunities for all of us.
Clean cooking is a challenge of today, but the future of tomorrow.